Good day, my friends. Welcome to Easy Meals by Yvette. Today we will be making a delicious, very healthy smoothie. It's a coffee and chocolate protein smoothie. You will need a cup of coffee and a banana, some ice, and some protein powder. Today I'm using this protein powder because it contains probiotics and it supports your digestive health. So it's very good for people that have trouble with digesting their food. And so that's why I'm using that today. It's a meal replacement, so this will be my breakfast for today, and it's very filling. So first of all, you're going to grab your coffee and pour it in the blender. Next, your banana and your ice cubes. And then you grab a scoop like this, a scoop of your chocolate protein powder. And all you do is mix it all together in the blender. Okay, my friends, now that it's all mixed in the blender, just pour it in your cup. Yum, yum. It smells so delicious, like chocolate and coffee. Delicious. Next step, I'm just going to pour in a little bit of this heavy whipping cream just to give it a little bit more of a creamy texture. Here we go. Doesn't that look delicious? There you go, my friends. This is our breakfast smoothie. This is a meal replacement. You can easily go without having food for a few hours because it does fill you up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Adios, amigos.